Hi there, my name is Dave Pannell. I'm a Texas real estate broker here in Dallas-Fort Worth. I've been licensed for over 20 years, and I've personally helped over 1,650 families buy or sell a house in the Dallas Metroplex. I hardly could believe it. My journey started with me actually buying my first house when I was 22 years old. We're actually still actively buying houses today, and that's mainly our focus in working with probate families. We've actually completed over 245 remodels and flips. So we offer 4 solutions for you in selling a property. We could buy any house for cash. We use our own money or private money, hard money they call it, to close on any property in 4 to 14 days, depending on the title work and what's required for to issue a title policy. A second, that doesn't align with you. The remodel costs are just too much for us estimated. And for you, the number is too low. We'll help you advertise the house to every investor, buyer, kid, pet, realtor out there in the market under our 21-day coming soon marketing plan, which we could go over in detail when we meet. Third, I'd like to partner up with you. A typical remodel costs about $80,000. We're going to do a slight remodel to improve the house enough that it qualifies for financing. So a buyer that needs a mortgage and they have really no down payment and they're borrowing all the money, 97%, to get a loan, we're going to make it move-in ready, health and safety, everything taken care of. We're going to get a pre-inspection and knock out all those items on the inspection report that the mortgage company and the appraiser want or require to get the house approved for financing. And then we'll sell it to a retail, a little bit discounted, but retail buyer. Fourth, if you have land or you have a lot that you've been sitting on forever, or you inherited and you want to sell it, we will partner up with you to build on the lot, or we'll buy it from you and we'll build a house on it. One of our favorite things to do nowadays with all the experience of doing all the houses, I love to build new construction and work with all the trades and organize the chaos to build a house. So whatever your family needs, we're here open to listen to you and to help you out. So our ideal client is somebody that is really cool, really understanding of what they're going through and how we could help them. We're looking for discounted properties that we could remodel. Nowadays, I've been in real estate a long time. I could help you buy your first property. I could help you sell any house on the market. But my goals are really aligned around inherited probate properties, homes that need lots of repair. If you're a tired landlord, somebody just tired of dealing with a tenant that won't move out or a family member that won't move out, vacant properties that maybe somebody moved into, properties with title issues are our favorite. Of lots, building land, even tear down properties if the property's not been torn down. We have crews and equipment for that. We're looking for people that own land that can be built on. So anything that is complicated, has title issues, or you want to sell to us as an investor, you understand that we're investors and we need to buy it in a way that we could add value to the property. That's what we're looking for. So if you have a property that you're just not sure what to do with, we don't have to buy it. We don't have to be your realtor. Let's just talk about it and see if we could help you out. We can make you a direct cash offer. That makes sense for both of us. We share with you what the house will sell for on the market, on the open market, and what we could do for you. We could help you clean out the property if that will help improve the value. We'll give you clarity, number one. We'll help you understand the market, the comps, the neighborhood, and figure out what is the best solution to get you the most amount of money in your pocket in the quickest amount of time. So please call me, text me. My calendar link is below in the video description. If you're on my website, we have a phone number listed, we have our email listed, and we have our calendar link somewhere on the website for you to get in touch with us. I'd love to hear from you. My name is Dave Pannell, real estate broker, and I look forward to hearing from you. I really do. Thank you.